Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your headlight bulb on a Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. This is a 2011 Generation 4 model, but they'll all be pretty similar. It's a very straightforward process and nice and easy. So we're going to get your bike up, and the area we're going to be working obviously is just here behind the headlight. This headlight cover is what we're going to start with by removing. So we're going to come in here and we're just going to rotate this cover counterclockwise, as you can see. Spin it off, hear it click, and then we're going to have access back there to our headlight and the rest of the components. Once you're in here, it's pretty straightforward. All you want to do is pop off this first connector. So we're just going to pull that. Now we have access, you can see the pins of our globe. Then there's this small little metal clamp that we need to release. So you're just going to come here, you're going to push down on this. It'll flick out and over, and then we have access to our globe. This you can now just pull out, remove, and we're good to replace it. When we're replacing our globe, the most important thing you want to do is make sure all of the specs line up. So this is a H7 12 volt 55 watts, as you can see here. That way we know it's going to work and we're not going to have any issues. Now when replacing our globe, the important thing is you don't want to touch on the glass itself. You only want to touch around on the metal, otherwise you're going to have issues in the future with the oil from your fingers going on the glass. So we've got our new globe here. We're now going to take it, we're going to place it so this little metal tab is facing up, and you'll see it slides nice and easy into the slot. There we go. We're now going to flip our little metal clamp back over, keep everything in place. Perfect. And then finally reconnect our little connector. Done. Then we can grab our headlight cover again, our big plastic one. Just want to find where it lines up, and then spin it back into place, and then you'll hear a small click. Now you're ready to go. So you can do exactly the same on the other side. You can come over and have a look. We have the exact same headlight cover down there, and now you can see we have our working headlight once again, and when we flip our high beams on, both of them are working again. So that's how to replace your headlights on your Ninja ZX10R. Nice and easy job, doesn't take long at all. Thanks guys.